How to restart an Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restart your Android phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. And here, if your phone opens the Google Assistant instead, you can press and hold the power and volume button together for a few seconds. And here, once the menu appears, you can just tap on restart or reboot option. And here, with that, you can just tap on it again, and once you do that, you just have to wait for the phone to turn off and power back on automatically. And once your phone finishes restarting, you can unlock it and you are ready to use it again. And that's it. That's how you can use or restart your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.